In this 2.5-minute video, I'm going to show you how to use Crop to Fit. Using the Crop to Fit feature automatically sizes your photos so they fit where they should on your marketing materials. Let's look at a just listed postcard. As you know, we'll double-click in this area to upload a property photo. Then we'll choose the property photo. Here you see your property photo, and you see this crop box. This box represents the area that your property photo should be in when it's put onto your postcard. The website will automatically size this box. If you want to, you can move this box. You can also resize it. When you have the crop box set, click the yellow Crop Image button. Now, your property photo is placed perfectly on your just listed postcard. Now let's see what happens if we don't crop your property photo. When you're on this screen, click the Insert Without Cropping link. And now your entire photo is inserted on your postcard. Let's compare the non-cropped photo with the cropped photo. You can see the difference. The Crop to Fit feature is even more valuable on a large postcard or a magazine with multiple property photos. Let's look at a feature property magazine, and we'll use Crop to Fit on these top 3 photos. As you can see, by using the Crop to Fit feature, the photos line up and fit perfectly. Now, what happens if we don't use Crop to Fit? As you see, this image is too short because we did not use Crop to Fit. To fix this, we'll double-click on the image. We'll click on the image again to use it, and this time we'll click on Crop Image. Now you see with Crop to Fit, the picture fits perfectly. Using Crop to Fit allows your photos to look perfect every time. If you have any other questions, please contact us at 866-405-3638 or email us support@ProspectsPLUS.com.